In our previous episode, we showcased the office of Saudi Arabia's leading developer, Dar Al Arkan. We shared details about incredible luxury projects in Spain and Dubai, created in collaboration with iconic brands such as Lamborghini, Missoni, and Pagani. If you missed those episodes, make sure to check them out. Today, we have an exclusive overview of a branded project in Saudi Arabia just for you.
Saudi Arabia, it's the country which was closed for quite a while, for quite a long time. So now it's opening, new law is taking place here, and we are expecting also the new law which will allow foreigners to buy property here in Saudi Arabia. And this is, guys, really a rare opportunity to invest at the very early stage, let's say, and get a very good return and then resale or maybe rent it out if you are like more conservative investors. So yes, tell us a little bit about the market, about Saudi Arabia, and why it's interesting now to invest here.
We can tell about Saudi Arabia is the biggest market in GCC. It is the biggest market in terms of even population and consuming power. This is why we can find a very big consumption internal in Saudi Arabia, and currently they start opening for foreigners to start buying properties in Saudi Arabia, which is already started. We can say today investment in Saudi Arabia is very, very important because it is the initial stage of investment. Today Saudi Arabia is one of the G20 countries, and it is very important to invest today because we are expecting Saudi Arabia in the coming years to be one of the G7. So you can imagine the growth in economy and how much it will follow in terms of real estate and the prices. So entering today into investment in Saudi Arabia, plus the investment components when you are investing in off-plan, also all it will add to you, it will add to your profit. So today it's an early stage where people, they can enter today into the market and they can take the full benefit of the future investments. And currently we launched off-plan villas, standalone villas. We are having 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom villas.
And this project, where it's located?
It is located in North Riyadh in a project called Sidra. It is done by Roshan, which is owned by Saudi Public Fund. And we already have in this project the only exclusive prime villas of interior and exterior by ELIE SAAB, which already launched and already approved by WAFI, the off-plan regulator in Saudi Arabia. The completion will be in December 2025, and people, they can join the investment, and I am sure whoever buy these villas, if he see the interior and the quality of these villas, he will never sell it. He will use it for himself.
By the way, it's not your first collaboration with ELIE SAAB.
Yeah,
you have a project in Qatar, a wonderful project in Qatar.
Exactly. Levag in Qatar, we are having a project, Levag in Qatar on the beach. It is with the collaboration with Qutaifan Island, who is owned by Qatar, which is owned also by the investment fund of Qatar. But this will be the first delivery of projects of ELIE SAAB because the delivery is earlier than the delivery of Levag. So on December 2025, we will be having the delivery of these villas, which is already construction started and sales already started. So we're having only 163 interior, exterior design branded by ELIE SAAB in this project. And these are the only villas interior designed by a designer here in Saudi Arabia.
That's great. But how it's possible for foreigners to buy villas here in this project? Possible, or it's just for GCC countries right now?
Currently, people, they can buy, we are selling off-plan. People, they can reserve, they can buy DP, they can sign agreement, they can pay for the payments they have, and on delivery, they can register their villa based on the regulations applied in Saudi Arabia. Today, customers, they can apply for a golden visa, and if he apply for a golden visa, he can own this property in Saudi Arabia. And for sure, we are expecting the regulations to be more developed like other countries. Normally, regulations develop more in order to start attracting more customers. And the process of owning properties in Saudi Arabia, for sure, it will be much easier. So this advantage is all available today. And I think this is the only project where people, they start investing today from foreigners investing in Saudi Arabia as individual units.
So if you're a foreigner, so you can sign an agreement, you can pay a down payment. How much is this?
To the escrow account, because the customer should be transferring his money from his account to our escrow account in Saudi Arabia. This is the only way to pay. And he can, wherever he's here, we can send him the agreement, he can sign it, and we register it in WAFI, where it is the regulator of plan.
How much is the down payment? How much?
These villas, the starting price, 3.2 million for around 250 meter build-up area.
So and it's Saudi Riyadh.
Saudi Riyadh.
Yeah.
And we are talking about 250 meter net area, build-up area. We are not talking about gross area. Plus for sure around 300 meter plot area. So each customer will buy in this project, he will own the villa and he will own the plot together. So it's a very important asset because there is a double ownership of a villa and a plot. And he will be paid over a payment plan where he paid 20% on first payment, and all future payments, they are linked into a completion, where people, they will pay when we are making completion of the project. So when we are progressing, the customer will be paying, and the customer, he can check on WAFI website our completion percentage, and based on that completion percentage, which is mentioned by the regulator, the customer will be paying his fund.
Okay.
So it is fully regulated with an escrow account.
So I see also that you have samples of materials which is going to be used in this project. It's
Exactly.
Of course, it's a high-end materials.
Actually, all the material inside the villa, it
for?
is selected by ELIE SAAB. All the sanitaries, the kitchen, all the things branded by ELIE SAAB, or materials selected by ELIE SAAB. And the flooring in the villas will be all marble. So it will be one of its kind in these projects.
By the way, is it possible to rent villas out?
Yeah, sure. Your villa, you can sell it during off plan, you can transfer it, and you can sell it after completion, and you can rent it out after completion.
After completion. And
today in Saudi Arabia, the rents are very high. ROI should be expected as per market today more than 7% to 8%. And for sure you need to buy the right product, and you need to buy at the right time and the right price. So when you are having these three components, you can take always much better than what it is available in the market. And we are having two types of villas. We are having here a small valley where there is a villas with a backyard on a valley, so I have a lot of privacy. And there is types of villas which is in the middle. So this is the 163 limited edition of ELIE SAAB villas in Roshan project in Sidra.
Guys,
Riyadh.
if you want to be an owner of ELIE SAAB villas, so let us know. All our contact details you will find beneath the video, and we will provide you all necessary information, and of course organize a meeting here with the developer, or even if you're not able to come, we can do a Zoom call, for example, also with the developer. We'll be happy to provide you all information. So thank you very much, Joseph.
We can add something also to our customers.
Yes.
Please come with me.
Yes.
In order to add more luxury to our customers,
yes,
we are also,
that's amazing.
We are the sole distributor of Dolce & Gabbana furniture in Saudi Arabia.
Amazing.
This is the biggest Dolce & Gabbana furniture showroom in Middle East, and maybe in the world, as per Dolce & Gabbana.
Yes, guys, look at this. Even you can buy cups, like everything.
Accessories, furniture, all the designs from Mediterranean to the tiger, to the zebra, to the Andalusia type. So all the types of furniture and available.
So you can help to furnish the
We don't help, we want to give them a special deal for our customers.
Oh, that's
They will
amazing.
get very special deal in terms of furniture.
This is for our clients, this is for our audience, let's say. If you're interested,
and
just
we can deliver it to them for all their projects.
That's amazing, really. Like art and real estate.
Exactly. There's more to add.
We're
having also the Versace.
So Versace, for those who love Versace.
The classic models.
I like that table, that set very much. Amazing.
Special prices for our customers. Actually, this is special service for our customers.
Yes, because you can do it, you can provide it, because you
Exactly.
are one of the biggest developer here in Saudi Arabia.
And this is ELIE SAAB furniture. So these brands, they are, we provide them to our customers in order to bring more luxury into also the furniture of their properties. Also, we have Missoni and we have Bentley, but the showrooms, they are not next to the sales office, they are in another area.
So that's actually important, because buying an apartment or villa with our partner, Dar Arkan, you can also very good deal on the furniture.
And
So-
especially special services where also we can customize for them based on the areas they have in their villa, on their property.
And you can do it like not only here in Saudi Arabia, you can do it
wherever we
like
can support this.
any countries.
Exactly.
Okay, that's amazing, amazing, great.
We are bringing all the luxury to our customers. We need to give them the most, invest in luxury. We need to give all this meaning to our customers. And we thank you for your visit to us. And we are welcoming all the customers who are willing to see our projects wherever they are.
Thank you very much, Joseph. We are very happy, we are very proud to promote your projects, to present your projects to our audience, to our clients, and to have your projects in our portfolio. So guys, thank you very much for watching us, and don't forget that all the information you can find beneath the video. Thank you.
Thank you.